It's Eli Outdoors. Today we're going to be trying to get some squirrels. My first time with this gun, we're going to try. And we got a squad here. Gonna try to get some. Guy, you might want to move. We're going to try to keep that nest again. I'm going to miss.
Alright, so tell them what you got up there. So there's a squirrel nest way up there.
What is this? What gun is this?
410.
410? How do you shut this thing down? Here, can you stop it?
Push it hard. Gotta go backwards. There you go. What? Back up.
Right now we are walking through the woods, seeing if we can find any. Haven't seen any yet, so just gonna keep on walking. And what we're dealing with is very bushy stuff and roots that are like spikes, so it's hard to get through them. So footprints that
Some tracks.
from where?
Look like some little deer tracks.
I've got the deer. What squirrel? Go with this big squirrel hunting at Mary's. Hey everybody. We've been walking about 10 miles out here, so haven't seen anything. We're gonna go to the next spot. One of our crew members got, so we think he got one. But also, he found this bed. The pigs were here, my dog stepped on it, so. But, here's a small pig trap. Right here, there's a small little pig trap when they roll around in the road. What is that? Oh. Yep, so I'm gonna start going back to the boat. Yep. Everybody, we just scouted a duck pond. We had a couple with ducks, and now we are going back to the boat. I collected corn, so I've been filling my pockets up with acorns. These things are giant. So yeah, if we kill anything, we'll tell you. Okay, fine. We actually didn't kill something. We found this little guy. I don't know what he is. He's very yellow. He's probably very mean. I was collecting walnuts and my dad found this dude. Oh, he's still alive.
Yes.
I didn't know he was alive.
It's a box turtle. Pick him up.
Can we take him home?
No.
Why? Everybody, this is a box turtle. They cut this flap. This one has got damaged by something. They cut this flap for danger and to hide. This one is a very pretty yellow one. See, has been attacked. We're gonna let him go. We're on an island, so this dude, he's just gonna travel around. Sit right now. Everybody, right now we're going down river because we didn't really get anything except 2 squirrels. these are the 2 squirrels we got. And this is 2, and this is 1. This is squirrel. He's wet because we put him in milk to take the gaming taste away from it and the wild taste away from it. And we are going to season it. We are going to cook it with pancake batter because it makes it more sweet if you fry it in pancake batter. So we're gonna fry this thing up, tell you how it tastes after. And we got 2. So this is nasty. Okay, everybody, just got done cooking squirrel. This is what it looks like. But we're gonna eat a small piece just in case I don't like it. And here we go. School time to chew. It's not the worst, not the best. Nope. I'm done. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. Next video we're going to a hatchery to get some catfish for the catfish pond. Fixed it, so we gotta start adding some. Subscribe and like the video. Stay till next video.